Did you realize that your computer could be destroying your vision? An average person will spend over 7 hours in front of their computer and digital devices. And I'm totally guilty. I probably spend maybe 12 hours a day in front of my computer. So this can really affect your vision. And it can affect your vision from several mechanisms, okay? One is the LED light. This artificial light is not full spectrum. It is very specific to a blue light, which is a short, high energy wave, which is very irritating to the eyes. And LED lights can actually raise cortisol. They add stress to the body. Just like the other lights that you have in your house that are fluorescent, that can increase cortisol. I would highly recommend that you replace some of your lighting system around your office with a full spectrum bulb. That can actually decrease some of the effects from the blue light. Also, I'd recommend getting some eyewear that can filter out the blue light, at least 50% of it, and you'll find that there's a lot less strain when you're actually on your computer. I would just get the one that's non-magnified, the one that is just a filter for blue light. All right, the next point is the ciliary muscle of the eye. So here's the front of the eye right here, and here's the lens. There's a little muscle called the ciliary muscle, they're on both sides, that help to shape the lens to help you focus. So you can focus in near or far. Now, when you're sitting in front of your computer, close up, the ciliary muscles are in a state of contraction. Can you imagine contracting your muscle for 7 hours? That would create a lot of fatigue, wouldn't it? Well, just think of what's happening in the eye. Your lens is being abnormally shaped because of the imbalance in the contraction and relaxation. So here's what you need to do. Go outside at least a half hour a day and start looking at objects in the distance, okay? I do this all the time. I go for a long walk, but when you walk, sometimes I'll see people, they're actually have the earphones, they're looking at their cell phone, they're listening to music, they're in their head. But what you want to do is you want to just look at objects in the distance, okay? For at least a half hour or more. That's going to provide relaxation. Very simple. It'll help take the strain out of the eye. The last point I want to bring up is carotenoids, okay? Carotenoids are phytonutrients. There's certain pigments in certain colored vegetables. Cruciferous, it's in squash. It's also in egg yolks. Now, the plants use the carotenoids to protect against certain light sources like the sun. Well, when you have enough carotenoids in your body, it can also help protect the eye against the UV radiation from the sun as well. One thing I notice is that a lot of people wear sunglasses when it's sunny all the time. And that's fine, but just realize that you need some sun that goes into the eye, not like staring at the sun, but enough sun to help recharge the pineal gland. You'll find that you'll sleep better. You might want to try that if you have a habit of wearing sunglasses all the time. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. So if you want to get notified with all my content, click the notification bell next to subscribed.